Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about my latest craft project, which is a doll's house I bought on eBay, and I've been doing it up room by room. In my recent autumn craft update video, I did show you the before pictures and me painting the doll's house. Since then, I've wallpapered all the rooms, put new flooring in, and covered all the ceilings. So I've also put in curtains, covered the stairs, all sorts of little bits. So it's all starting to come together now. So I thought I'd show you some of the rooms that I have finished. So there's the front door that I actually put in. It didn't have a front door, so I made that out of lollipop sticks. And that window didn't have a frame either, so I put some bamboo sticks together, painted them white, and then I've put curtains on all the windows as well. And there's a quick sneak peek at the bathroom, but today I'm going to show you the kitchen. I've kind of done the doll's house almost like an interior project rather than a doll's house. But obviously my skills aren't that amazing, so it's all very much what I've found around the house. And just trying stuff out. So I'm no major miniature expert, but I'm certainly having a go and learning as I go. So I'm very inspired by American home tours on YouTube and on Instagram, and so they always have a coffee bar in their kitchen. So I'm definitely having a coffee bar in the doll's house. So as you can see here, I've got a shelf, a cardboard shelf, but made to look like wood. I've got my Ray Dunn inspired mugs hanging on some hooks, which are just nails. There are screws. I think I glued them onto that. I've put the Scrabble letters up coffee at the top as well, and then I've got a little picture coffee there as well. And over here I've got my cupboards, my cooker, my sink area. So that's just made out of cardboard, and then I've got another picture and a clock. I've got one of those little press-on lights with some material wrapped around it for the lampshade. And then over here in another shelving area, I've got Eat Out of Scrabble, and then a sort of a farmer's market inspired picture. So and then on the floor I've got some tiles, which is like a stick-on set of tiles that I got from the pound shop. So very pleased with those. I also put some stick-on tiles at the back for the backsplash. So here's the fridge. It's just cardboard, and I've wrapped it in silver tape, and then just put some little details on, like made the top a little bit bigger, painted some cotton buds grey for the door handles, and then put some detailing on, and a logo and the sensor, so it looks more like a fridge. Then I got again another cardboard box, put a little handle on it and some sequins, and that's my microwave. So that's going on the worktop up the corner. And here we've got the box to go on top of the fridge. I've actually made some Christmas mugs. So I'm storing them in the box on top of the fridge, and I'll put them in the kitchen when it's Christmas time. And then I've just cut some greenery, and I'll put that out on the top and then put it on top of the fridge for a bit of decor. And here's my bin. It's a Tic Tac container, painted black and silver. And then here comes the coffee station. So I've got my Keurig coffee machine made from a sort of a cork and a plastic lid. And then I've got trays and jars, mostly made out of paper, that I've rolled up and put some buttons on the top for lids. Got a little chopping board there with a little autumn mug, so that will be swapped for the Christmas mug. And then I've got another bottle top there with a plant in, and a box with some tea towels in. So it's kind of, as I say, I was inspired by people on Instagram and how they decorate their coffee stations, and I've made my own coffee station, so I'm very happy with that. Another thing you see in decor is two-tiered trays, so I thought I've got to have a two-tiered tray. So milk bottle tops, and then a screw holding them together. Painted it sort of a creamy colour. And then I've got some more mugs on there and some greenery, and a pitcher, and then a little utensil holder with some rolling pins in. So, as I say, just having things in that I like to have in my house. That was the idea behind the dollhouse, really. Got some chopping boards as well, always great for decor all around the house. But I'm going to put those over by the two-tiered tray. And a glue stick lid with some more greenery in. That's going to go on the shelf. And then a couple of lids put together to sort of create a crock pot idea. And then I've got some lemonade bottle tops. There, my bowls. And then I printed these off sort of a doll's house sort of printable website. So these are cereal boxes. So I'm just going to stack those together on the shelf because this is my kind of breakfast bar area. So I thought, well, I'll keep the cereals there and the bowls, and then the lower shelf is where we're going to eat breakfast. So just to add a bit of detail, I've got some breakfast cereals, like some sequins with some spoons that I've fashioned, and then I've got some napkins. So it's all about the little cute details, really. I'm just having fun doing it. As I say, I'm not a genius at making it, but I'm having a go. My friend gave me that little quiche, so I've made a chopping board to put that on the worktop. And then I've got another coffee sign, just mounted it on some poster board, put that on my coffee station. And then I've got some muffins, just some rolled up tissue paper. I think that was from Boots, the container. I think it had earplugs in. But this is the thing, when you're doing a doll's house, you just go around the house and you find all sorts of things and you think, what can I do with that? So here's some lollipop sticks that have been turned into stools, painted them. So really pleased with those. And I'm really happy with how the kitchen's turned out. And the thing is, I can always change it and add to it. And so I'm just learning and enjoying it, really.